So if you want to plan your whole day using Google Tasks in 2026, yeah, it can actually keep you way more focused than you'd expect if you use it the right way instead of just dumping random tasks in it. First, create a dedicated daily list. This keeps today's tasks separate from long-term or random stuff. Now only add what you actually plan to do today. Don't overload it. Keep it realistic so you can actually finish everything. Next, write tasks as clear actions. Instead of vague notes, use things like finish report draft or reply to emails. Now, reorder your tasks based on priority. Put the most important or urgent tasks at the top so you always know where to start. If you want more structure, add due times to your tasks. This helps you plan your day hour by hour instead of guessing. If something feels too big, break it into subtasks. This makes your day feel easier and keeps progress visible. Now check your Google Calendar. Your tasks appear there automatically, helping you visually plan your entire day. Finally, at the end of the day, check what's done, move unfinished tasks, and reset your list for tomorrow. And that's it. Once you use Google Tasks for daily planning like this, your whole day becomes way more structured and easier to manage.